Hello, welcome back for lesson number 17. I put a title called Top Cream. Top Cream is the last operation to make a good coffee. I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. We are not going to teach you how to make coffee. We're going to show you the last operation, how to cut this Batman logo. As usual, we need to open the file that we have previously done, show you a new tooling, continue with the lesson, and show you the step-by-step how we're going to complete the task. This is the result on the previous video. We have completed the outer profile of the Batman logo. We need to use this tool called the concave radius end mill. Some people call radius end mill to cut the top corner radius. We use the 2-axis mill, corner round, create a profile for these two paths. We need to select C round and click OK. The first line we need to click is going to be this one. Continue the one that at the side. We have to flip the part to select the balance two line. This is one of it, the third line, and then this fourth line. Upon selecting all the fourth line, we need to use the middle mouse, click it to show this screen by filling up the radius and the selection of the machining site. After we done that, we have to click OK. This is gonna be the tool that we're gonna cut this part. So I put a name on R2 fillet and the dimension of the tool. We select tool number 8 because we already have 7 tool in previously. I just put tool 8, easier for us to continue with the lesson. We just click OK upon select that. On the right click that operation, we need to set the balance parameter by selecting edit, set the G54 frame, RPM and feed rate we need to change. The engage we're going to use a special way. The lead in lead out we're going to use manual. The first lead in is going to be -5 and angle 0. You can try the rest of the number so that you can choose the way best suit for your operation in other part. I'm going to use 5 and 0 for the first lead out, so easier, so that you can learn something about this application. Change a different color, a light purple, and continue with calculate. We can continue with verification by using the verify and then change the frame to G54. You can see Z -2, which is the correct dimension. We need to go down 2 mm to cut the corner radius. After that, we click OK, continue with solid verify. Just do a very quick one. You can see that the light purple is formed up. You need to confirm it by using the analysis visual to show the size is correct. So everything looks green, looks good. So we can save this file by selecting the save button. I have completed the whole operation on this part. So let me show you the last step by step how we complete the corner radius on this part. Hello, welcome back. Let me show you the step by step how to accomplish the task. We will double click the previous operation, collapse it. We will choose the 2-axis mill with corner round, create the profile, C round, we click OK, choose this line, this line. We need to flip the part 180 degrees, easier. As you can see, this one and this one. We will click middle mouse to bring out the menu. Dimension is 2. This is right side, correct? So we click OK. The tool name is gonna be R2 fillet. Dimension 15. This is 10. And this is 2. We will put tool number 8. Auto fill up. We click OK. We are not going to do calculate now. We need to set the frame to G54, RPM 750. The MMPM is going to be 120. The lead mode is going to be manual. The lead in is -5 and 0. The lead out is 5 and 0. We will change the color to light purple. Perform a calculate. Looking good. Let us do a verify. Set the frame to G54. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see that the Z is already go Z-2, which is correct. We click OK for this and perform a solid verify. Let me flip the part perfectly. So let us perform the cut. You can see all the previous operation include this one. The corner radius is already cut, so let us do a option analysis visual. All the corner is cut perfectly, so that is nice. We click OK. We save this part. This is conclude the whole operation for this part. Thank you for watching. We will start a new part on the next lesson. Bye bye.